So, I was looking around for something to open online when I noticed something at my local Walgreens. Kind of local, about 13 minutes out. So, I noticed they had these TCG Lightning packs for 20 bucks each. But they also had a site wide sale. So, if you buy $60 or more, you would get 20% off. Each of these being $19.99, I bought 3 of them, making it 48 bucks. If my math's not wrong, which it probably is. But not horrible for all Sword and Shield era packs. Lots of Chilling Reign, few Fusion Strike, Silver Tempest, mostly Chilling Reign. But still, regardless, great pack selection. So I figured I'll buy 3 of them, open them for a video. Great content. Fun times. I was hoping, because it's random. It doesn't tell you what you get online when you set your order, because I couldn't find them in the store. I had to order them online and wait for them to prepare the order for pickup. So online, when I initially seen the listing, that's a cute little Snorlax. When I saw the listing online initially, it actually showed a cosmic eclipse as a part of it. That's why I ordered it. But all Sword and Shield is still not bad. Cosmic Eclipse would have been better. Still not bad. Especially if we can pull anything fun out of these guys. Love to see a Lugia out of that single Silver Tempest over there. And final bag. Final bag. Final box. Man, what was the promo out of that other one? Is that also a Snorlax? No, it's an Applin. Got a little Applin. And another Snorlax. Alright, let's get all this out of the way. And we now have 2 Silver Tempest. Mostly Chilling Reign. We're going to start rolling with... Let's go least to most. So we'll do Brilliant Stars first. We'll do Silver Tempest, then Fusion Strike, and then Chilling Reign. Okay. Water Energy, Executor, Choice Belt, Floatzel, Clink, Spiritome, Axew, Impidimp, Magmar, Reverse Heatran, and a Hollow Garchomp. Okay, that was our Brilliant Stars pull. Move into Silver Tempest. Okay. Grass Energy, Braxen, Sigilyph, Golbat, Smeargle, Ferroseed, Fletchling, Snorunt, Vulpix, Torracat Reverse. Alright, and a Regidrago V Full Art. Very nice. Moving on to our second pack. Oh. Can't open it. Can't open it. There we go. Okay. Okay. Fighting energy. Oh, grabbing two. Serena, Sigalith, Gym Trainer, Clink, Petalil, Litten, Murkrow, Swablu, Chinchou Reverse, and a regular rare Mismagius. On to our Fusion Strike packs. I'm curious, what is your guys' favorite Sword and Shield era set? Psychic Energy, Swadloon. Honestly, I know pretty much everyone is going to say Evolving Skies, but I really love, and I mean really, really, really loved Brilliant Stars. As much as Brilliant Stars doesn't get a whole lot of love, I just like the trainer galleries. Trainer galleries were probably my favorite things that came out for a while. SIRs, art rares, and all that, they're very nice as well. But, like, seeing the trainers with the Pokemon, I don't know. It just does something for me. Fire Energy, Victini, Electric, Dunsparce, Tynamo, Zorua, Shelder, Caterpie, Drillbur, Reverse Shelder, and a Hollow Grimmsnarl. On to Chilling Rain. You know what? I lied. I do really like Brilliant Stars. However, I think Crown Zenith might be my favorite. Psychic Energy, Celio, Fire-Resistant Gloves, Crabominable, Mareep, Heracross, Clobopus, Grookey, Sneasel again, and Galarian Slowking Hollow. Pack number 2 of Chilling Rain. All right. Fire Energy, Doctor, Fog Crystal, Hatchram, Swirlix, Lapras, Deerling, Slowpoke, Coughing, Reverse Flannery, and a gold card, Welcoming Lantern. All right. We'll take that. We will take that. Third pack. I can't wait for Prismatic Evolution to come out. I have so many things in store for that set. You'll just have to look forward to it. Maybe I'll talk more about it when I get my Terastal Festival booster box. Okay, Galarian Moltres V. Nice. Oh, you stay up there. But I have a lot planned for it. I've pre-ordered a lot from many different places, especially local card shops, because luckily my local card shops don't do any online pre-orders, only in-store. Even one of them won't do pre-orders. He said he's only going to let people buy on release day. So that's pretty nice of him. All right. Psychic Energy, Doctor, Celio, Peonia, Ralts, Heracross, Castform, Spheal, Hatena, Reverse Abomasnow, and a normal hollow Cobalion. I don't mind the Justice Trio, but I don't think they were ever really my thing. Caitlin, Kakuna, Path to the Peak, Porygon, Heracross, Sobble, Inkay, Squovit, Reverse Cast Form. Ooh, that is a nice art for Blissey. That is nice. You can go right there in the middle. I'm not even that big of a Blissey fan, but just the art on it's really nice. Especially the little pictures in the background of when it used to be a Chansey. If you couldn't tell by the PSA cards over on the side over there, Ditto is my favorite Pokemon. So I'm hoping we get some more cool Ditto cards in any of the upcoming sets next year. We'll see. Maybe we can get something in the Rocket set that's coming out. I believe there's also a battle partners as well. I don't know. We'll see. Praying. All right, final pack of the video. Final pack of Chilling Reign. Not been a bad opening. I was expecting a lot worse. All right. Psychic Energy, Lairon, Steenie, Crushing Gloves, Snorunt, Bounsweet, Cubfu, Inkay, Diglett, Reverse Hollow Ghastly, and a regular Hollow Hatterene. Overall, decent value. Decent value, especially for Sword and Shield packs that are getting harder and harder to find. But let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Would you guys pick these up for $48? I mean, 3 for $48. I don't think that's horrible. Appreciate you guys viewing the video. If you like the content, like the video, subscribe. It helps more than you could ever know. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.